From fresh green watermelons grown on farms to sweet red juice, the entire journey begins at this modern processing plant. Fresh, whole green watermelons arrive at the plant and are prepared for the first processing stage. Each whole green watermelon is inspected carefully before entering the processing line.
This one here looks bruised. The scanner missed it. Should we pull it? Yes, divert it now.
Automated equipment separates the green watermelons by size to keep the processing line organized and consistent. Before juice production begins, the whole green watermelons receive a thorough pre-cleaning. High-pressure water jets wash the green watermelons from every direction to prepare them for food processing. The journey from whole green watermelons to sweet red juice begins inside a modern processing plant. A final rinse leaves the whole green watermelons clean and ready to enter the preparation section. After thorough cleaning, the whole green watermelons move into the preparation area, where the transformation into sweet red juice will begin. The clean green watermelons enter the preparation line, where automated equipment positions each fruit for precise processing. Precision guides align every green watermelon so the cutting equipment can process each fruit accurately.
A final surface cleaning step prepares the green watermelons for the cutting and extraction stages.
The green watermelons are secured inside a precision cutting system before being opened for juice production. The cutting machine opens each green watermelon, revealing the fresh red flesh inside. Once opened, the green watermelon reveals its fresh red flesh, which contains the sweet juice needed for the next stage. The thick green watermelon rind is separated while the valuable red flesh continues toward juice extraction. The red watermelon flesh is carefully separated from unwanted seeds before it enters the juice extraction system. After rind and seed separation, the prepared red watermelon flesh moves directly toward the juice extraction system. The prepared red watermelon flesh enters the extraction hopper, bringing the process to the main juice-making stage. The red watermelon flesh is gently crushed and pressed, releasing its naturally sweet, fresh juice. The freshly extracted red watermelon juice is collected in a sanitary tank for the next processing stage. The fresh red watermelon juice is filtered to remove larger pulp particles and create a smoother liquid. A finer filtration stage further cleans the red watermelon juice and gives it a smooth, consistent texture.
The filtered red watermelon juice is pumped through sanitary piping toward the main processing tank.
The filtered red watermelon juice enters a large processing tank, where its consistency is carefully controlled. Gentle mixing keeps the red watermelon juice evenly blended and consistent throughout the tank.
Quality control staff sample the red watermelon juice and check its appearance and consistency before final processing.
The red watermelon juice passes through a carefully controlled heat treatment stage used in commercial juice processing. The cooled red watermelon juice is transferred into a sanitary holding tank while the final packaging line is prepared. After heat treatment, the red watermelon juice is rapidly cooled to prepare it for final inspection and filling. Before filling begins, the finished red watermelon juice receives a final quality inspection. After heat treatment, the red watermelon juice is rapidly cooled to prepare it for final inspection and filling. After passing quality inspection, the red watermelon juice is pumped directly toward the automated filling line. Clean, empty bottles are automatically prepared and positioned for filling with the processed red watermelon juice. The automated filling system precisely fills each bottle with fresh, sweet, red watermelon juice. Immediately after filling, each bottle of red watermelon juice is securely sealed by an automated capping system. Automated inspection systems check every bottle of red watermelon juice for correct filling and secure sealing. After inspection, each sealed bottle of red watermelon juice receives its product label automatically. Each bottle of red watermelon juice receives production and batch identification information before final packing. The finished bottles of sweet red watermelon juice now move together toward the final packing and distribution stage. The finished bottles of red watermelon juice are automatically grouped into organized packs for final packaging. Automated packing equipment carefully places the finished red watermelon juice bottles into protective cartons. The cartons are securely sealed to protect the bottled red watermelon juice during storage and transportation. Each sealed carton receives the necessary identification labels before entering the finished product warehouse. A final inspection confirms that the packaged red watermelon juice is properly sealed, labeled, and ready for storage. Once packaged, the cartons of red watermelon juice are transferred to the finished product warehouse. The cartons of bottled red watermelon juice are stacked securely on pallets for efficient warehouse handling. The finished red watermelon juice is stored in an organized warehouse while it waits for shipment. Finished pallets of red watermelon juice are selected and prepared for delivery to stores and customers. The finished pallets of bottled red watermelon juice reach the loading dock, ready to leave the processing plant.
The finished cartons of bottled red watermelon juice are carefully loaded into the delivery truck for distribution.
After completing the full processing and packaging journey, the bottled red watermelon juice leaves the plant for distribution.
From whole green watermelons to smooth, sweet red juice, the complete transformation is now visible in the finished product.